Better forms of prioritization. I guess we can talk about burnout, and what it looks like for different people. Keeping it short and simple. Burnout could be two different things. It can be burnout, I don't want to do this anymore, or it could be burnout, I just need a break. Today we have some portraits for a friend of mine. She started a new business venture and she needs some more business style photos. So I'm gonna let you kind of see some of the stuff I do with that. I'm only taking 3 prime lenses, 35, 50, and 85. And that will get the job done perfectly. Don't get burnt out because you want to work. You got to work. That's where we live. We work. But slow that work down and start, enjoying. Because we only got one time to be here, so enjoy yourself while you can. All right, let's head off and let's go do some work.
So this is Raven. This is Miss Sassy Snaps herself. Live in the mix.
Yep.
But if you're ever in the Birmingham area, and you need some studio space or someone other than me to take your pictures, Sassy Snaps is the way to go. Meanwhile, Raven, explain our beginningmanship and friendship to now in 2 weeks' time.
Okay, literally, I went to a meeting and he was like the only other black person there. I came there with the white person, which no racism or nothing like that, but I see other black people, I'm like, oh my God, me. So I saw him and he probably thought I was weird because I was low-key excited. And I was like, whatever. And then somebody I know was like, hey, somebody needs studio space. And I don't rent out my space. But I was like, you know what? For sure, whatever. I threw out a price. And then I get to the door and it's Braxton. I'm like, what the heck? And then he had another appointment the next day. And then he had something to do the next day. And then we worked together the next day. And then it's just been us against the world.
Yeah, now I show up and we got the same color shirts.
Yeah.
This is, I don't know if y'all can see that in there, but it's how it is. We're going to eat now before I actually shoot in her space again.
I don't got all the answers.
We went from one day meeting each other to seeing each other almost every day.
Yeah.
All right.
And I haven't seen him in like
a week.
Oh my
This is
God.
last Sunday.
That kind of hurt my feelings.
Okay, well, I'm not getting any food.
No, I'm going to take him somewhere else. It's okay. Everything's fine.
All right, let's get on the walking. We thought we was finna get some meat at Zaza's, but
I forget.
they closed at 2. So we going to Paramount. Bye. Alright, today is Monday, and I kind of just want, I don't really have anything special for you, but let's do a quick everyday carry, and you can see what I keep on my person. Alright, an everyday carry needs a carry. My carry is a Nike crossbody sling bag. Let's get into it and see what's in there. What's that? Headphones. Apple and Androids. Yeah, I keep a pack of headphones with me everywhere I go. You never know when you need to plug in, get on a phone call, or just need some earphones or something. Okay. What kind of stuff do y'all keep in y'all pockets? In your pockets, in your personal bags. What kind of stuff do you keep on you? It's about to rain, so we're gonna finish the EDC inside. Okay, we made it in from the rain, so I ain't get wet. But let's get back to the EDC. Okay, so
Keep an iPhone 13, got an Android, Galaxy Note 9. That's my tried and true. Inside of our sack, we keep a wallet, a GoPro Hero 10. That's what I keep in the big compartment. Keep earphones. Ooh, we talked about that. The main lens, ND filters. Front pocket, I keep my chapstick. This is my watch, the Gear S3. This is kind of what the band looks like with the watch. I like it. I'll insert. This band will be linked in the description. So this is my EDC carry. I don't keep a ton of stuff on me every day. I keep my camera on me most of the time. But if I don't have it, I do have my GoPro with the Max lens mod, the media mod, the regular, the ND filter, all that. So I can always record or take a picture of something if I need it. Let me know what's in your EDC so we can talk about it. And if y'all got some suggestions for me, I'd love to hear them, because these are kind of things that kind of just fit for me day to day. I'm gonna go now. See you tomorrow. Peace. Hey, one more thing. I forgot to ask you nicely to subscribe, like, share. We had a visitor today.
You recording right now?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? How you record and you don't have the...
Marcus came over and visited. Hold on, my mama called me. I'll be right back.
Marcus came and visited us today.
Hello, gang. This video won't be posted, so it doesn't even...
It is. This going out every Sunday.
This is the gunman himself.
Bullet head!
Yeah, this is the real shooter. He taught me everything I know.
You're lying, dude.
Every single thing.
You're definitely not posting this now.
He said, Braxton, shoot low angles. So I shoot low angles. He said, Braxton, shoot on top of their head. So I shoot on top of their head.
Speaking of, somebody took my two-step.
He said, Braxton, get in their face. So I got in their face.
Yeah, that's the shooter, man.
Please stop.
I just want y'all to know.
No, sir. What is a 500K next week type deal? What is that?
A gunman.
Get down, get down.
Is it on your hip? Ladies and gentlemen, get down. Firing. Yeah, we're messing in here working. You know. Oh, by the way, right now I got them DJI mics. Them DJI mics in there. And the capture clip. And the zoom.
Hey, you trying to clean these lenses?
Oh, no, I ain't. I'll assist.
Come on, man. Each one of these boys, wipe down.
This is not the camera
Man, think this the camera store, y'all.
Look at this.
He got all the equipment.
You see how dirty that is? Is that dirty? Kinda.
Yeah, that boy could take a little dusting.
See?
I'm talking about owning your own business. It's always good to have a second
You plan on
source.
taking the city down by pistol or shotgun?
Grenade.
Mmm.
Grenade, grenade.
Grenade! Everybody get down! Down! Nikon.
Yeah.
Nikon, call me. I need a Z9. I would like to create something with the Z9 Nikon. Sony, I do not mind you either, but I want the Nikon Z9.
Yeah.
I do not want the R. Super 7200. Lighter than a feather. The Sony GM.
See how dirty that is?
That is nasty. I see why you have grain on your photography.
Probably get some spray on there, boy.
See, I'd be scared to do that part.
There we go. Now we come back.
Size 50, 1.4. Yeah, Misty in here right now. Yes, sir.
Where you at, Brex? I can't see you.
Marco! You have a gun? Machine learning. Machine learning.
Clean them up, man.
Look at that diffusion.
You got the text below the thing.
All right, so today is a simple work day. I'm trying to get this video out about investing, which by the time you see this, it'll be already out. There's yeah, click right there and you can watch that video. I'm just talking about the simple difference between investing and saving money. I told some friends, or I told somebody about a great investment opportunity, and they just didn't know the difference between investing and just saving their money. So I thought it was a good opportunity to make an investing type video. Y'all know we do photo video stuff here because that's what I do, but I'm very interested in a lot of other things, so I probably will sprinkle more of that stuff into videos monthly. Maybe one thing that's off, a video about videoing or photoing monthly, just to keep it fresh. But yeah, I'm just sitting here editing. I'm actually watching The House of Gucci. It's a really good movie. It's the first time I watched it. I don't want to go into deep cinematography talk here, but I like what they've done to it. So I'm gonna eat this salad I got from Panera and get back to the to invest or to save video linked in the description if you want to have a quick knowledge of investing or saving. Very simple, very basic information. Just click the description, hit the card. Yeah. All right, back to work, guys.
There is some amazing hiking in the local area, but we're not going to be doing anything too off-roady. There is kind of one hike that you've seen.
Honestly, DaVinci is cool, but some of the stuff that is easy to do in Final Cut and Premiere, predominantly speaking about plugins, it's much easier on Final Cut and Premiere, because in DaVinci it'll come up and it won't be right, and you gotta add this project file, and then if you do get it in there, it'll come up as a blank screen and it don't show the preview. And I could drop a plugin in Final Cut, see the preview, it always shows up, it does exactly as it's supposed to. But this is me being very tedious, because I enjoy the process of learning DaVinci and its glory.
I want to bite this cup so bad, but
You want to fight the
What?
bite it. You know how you bite the rim of it?
Bite the
Bends up a little bit.
Yeah, make it look like you drink.
I figured, because they look like they got similar stuff, or at least similar branding.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? This man is a fool. YouTube right here in Birmingham, Alabama. You can click the link below to get your special subscription of State of Mind. Right now, let's go.